Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In the last lesson we learnt about iris transition. Iris transition is also very important. That class was very important. If you haven't followed that class, please go to that class on my channels and follow that class. In today's lesson we will learn about motion transition. Actually in the motion transitions, if you add these transitions our clips like open like door or close up our clips close like doors. If you add two clips and in between these two clips you add any this motion transitions in the between the clips opens and closes like a door, and such type of transition makes your clips very effective. This class will be very interesting. Listen till the end dear friend, don't skip the class, then it will be very useful for you. I have divided this class into two parts, one and second. Please follow these two parts and then you will understand, you will have complete knowledge about motion transitions. Let's jump into Resolve for you. Now I use another transition. So we want to use this slide transition. So we come here, you see we have two clips. We just trim little bit here to sorry you see. Okay, in the same way you come here, you trim. Okay, we have given enough frame rate here, and we come and we take double click to slide motion transition. You see here it has appeared now. Otherwise you can pull from here, but I just double click. It's very convenient. You put play head here you just take play here and we put here and I double click. So we have no which transitions, we have slide transitions. So we just click and play. See how it's a sliding actually. There Devika is with her lovely cat, you see here, and she is with this river, and this is my daughter Devika, a small daughter. She loves cat, and we come here, you see, and you can actually, if you want to maximize transitions, so you can do from here in each frame rate. Okay, it's 82 will be maximum 2.7. The second it's a long transition. Once play. You see how beautiful. Actually, this is a good time. 2.7 second, 3 second is actually good transitions duration you can use on your clip. Every transition has some unique features in DaVinci Resolve. Here you have you can set here as a default transition. So you know this alignment if you know from our last class, because I don't want to, because we have less time. You can, if you want to put transition to one side, just click. You see our transition is now available here only here. One side only on the one clip it's available. When you click here second, it will be on this side, it will come on this video here you see in the end. If you click here it will be in the middle. Actually this is a real transition which come to both clips. Just here you see it's affecting two clips together. When it will be in the center. Actually this is the work of these transitions. Now when we come here, we know blur, you can add directions. Here there are two only. Here you can in and out. In this way you can use directions. Border we know, ease in ease out, you know ease in ease out. I want to click on this click, I want to use ease in ease out. It will easily start smoothly and finish smoothly. You see, no, I just play and see it will. You see, in this way easily ease out you can use on this your transitions. Actually we have learned. In this way you can curve, you know, you can smaller, bigger, you can make your transition. Actually I will use this on default. Actually I use actually the border. If I want to use see in this way I can use color here. Okay, I will use border. You see here border has appeared now. In the same way you presets you can use here, or left, right. Here there is some slide top button you can use. You see it will be go to your clip, go ahead slide, and we see this effect, how this video will be affected by this preset. See in this way the transition it's actually unique in the last transition. Actually you can use this preset if you want to other slide to bottom. It will be slide bottom and right, slide bottom and right. Just we see on your clip, then you will understand the effect, how it will be affected. You see actually in the same way try. I want to try that. If you want to use other, you can come here presets. There are here slide top down. It will be slide top down. It will be slide top down. No, I want to use some other, like here you can slide right left. It will be right left. You can understand when you play the clips. You see light left in this way. It's a coming. Just I put play head here. Now I come here because every transition has in DaVinci Resolve something unique, and you will learn every time in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very good thing. Good thing. Slide top down. Transition will be slide top down in the same. So you play and see your type of this transition on your clip. So I will come here and presets here. Slide left right. It was actually in default. We will use this. So this is actually the work of transition. Other thing are same. You can now we take other clips. For example, we have to take a clip. First come here. I want to take any clip. You can search. I will take this clip. Here some way you have to trim. You see, -21. Okay, 1.6. So it's not. Transition will be longer in this one. +1.6. So you just decrease the gap, and we come here. You see, we have come here, and we have used this slide. We have used push. We have used and barn root. Now we will take split. Double click. Now it will be see. It will be splitting. You see this dog like splitting in the actually. Now we come here. Let's say maximize. It will be convenient to see, and we come here to our inspector here, and here we have a transition. We click here. Now you can expand the duration to 72 frame, 2.4 second. It's in the same way, you can make transition to one video clips one side, and in the same way you can other side. Here you can put transition in the middle. If you want to add border here, you can add border actually. As you see in this way, border you can add, and any color if you want. Yes, you can get yellow. You can actually for dog which will be suitable. I think this okay. It's all we add this. If you want to add blur, you can add blur. You can blur it little bit, give the blurry effect. Okay, this side will be blurry, and I think so it will be not too much. It's here. Okay, it's okay. In this way, in this way you can manipulate. Not play. You can edge feathers. Here you will click. You can in the same way you can decrease the size of transition from here. In the other clips, all things are actually the same, and try on your clips. Here you see here there is also setting like top button. You can in the same way which last time I told you. You just click here. You can use any type of slide top, slide top down. In this way you can use. So in this way you try on your clip, you will understand how its transition is very, very beautiful. What's there actually the function, where you should. It's very important to know where this transition are actually used at which moment, where you should choose which type of transitions to make your video very effective. Now we just play because we have added all these for transitions. Actually we have learned about all these transitions we have added here one by one. Just I show you. We have add here barn here. We have add pulse transitions. Here we have used slide transitions. Here we have used splits. Beautiful. In this way, in all our in these clips we have used for transitions. Now I want to just play one by one. All you will understand. Now we come here because I want to finish the class very fast. See no river on the here. We see how the transitions our transition apply here. You see how the transitions are. So this was our last transitions here. Oh, this is splitting in 4 parts. Actually, this was our transition class about motion transition. In the next class, we learn about this shape transitions here. There are lots of to learn here in shape. The class will be interesting. Please join the class. And dear friends, I think this is enough for this shape transition.
Hello dear friend, we have just finished the class about motion transitions. Please practice these 2 parts of class and apply such type of effect inside your clips. Take any old photo, take any photo from your camera, several clips, and join and trim the clips, add these transitions, and render the clips and see the effect of how this transition makes your video editing to the next level. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more creative video for you, for more useful video for you. Dear friends, write in the comment box if you have any suggestions. According to your suggestion, I will improve the class. I will add more tutorial according to your request. Dear friend, just write inside the comment box and likes the video. Share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such tutorial. Dear friend, we meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.